Good morning, all.
Morning, sir.
Fine. Day before yesterday and one day ahead to that, we have completed LPP and simulation technique. Now today we'll see Markov chain. Markov chain, again an important topic to predict the probabilities of the event. Probabilities of the event means, I'll just draw a transition matrix. This is 0.8, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.7, 0.2, and 1. A, B, C, A, B, C. You can see this table, matrix. Try and understand, if we talk about the market share of three different products, homogeneous products, A is having share 80%. This is transition matrix we are discussing. A is having 80% retained with it, 10% share or 10% customer has shifted from A to B and 10% from A to C. Whereas B's total market share will be 100%. Out of that, B retains 70%. B retains 70%, whereas transition from B to A is 10% and transition from B to C is 20%. Whereas for the C product, 100% share is retained by C company, whereas no customer has been shifted from C to B or C to A. This is loss and this can be shown by gain. Loss and gain. This technique may be used in marketing as well as in finance. Now, if you ask me how in finance, see, if there are three shares of homogeneous product companies, then we may discuss like what will be the market share after one period, after two period, after three period, and infinity. Infinity means after a long period. That is called a steady state probability. Steady state probability. One is like we are talking about kth period, and second is steady state probability. Kth period probability and steady state probability. These two subtopics we need to discuss under Markov chain. Again, a very simple technique and of course with a good logic. The moment I said this is a transition matrix, all the figures given here are in percentages. I have converted into decimal point. Say the current market share for these three companies is 25%. I'm just abruptly taking this. Say it is 25%, 25%, and 50%. This is current market share and the transition matrix. Transition matrix we normally get after study of certain time period. How the customers will shift from one brand to another brand. This is current situation. The total market share is 100%. A has 25%, B has 25%, whereas C has 50%. This abruptly I have taken. Now I'll say this. I'll say this is as R0. Why? Because this is current state. R0. whereas this is transaction probability. So suppose if you ask me what will be the situation after 1 year, after 1 year, what will happen to this share? So we can find it out as P. So what is your R0 here? It is 0.25, 0.25 and 0.50. True? This is your R0. I've converted this into percentage. Why? Because 25% means 25 divided by 100. And what I will do, I'll multiply this with the transaction percentages. This is 0%, 0% and 100%. I hope you got this. What we are doing, we are trying to find out the market share after one period. This period may be of 4 years group, 5 years group, 1 year, 1 month, 1 day also. Right? Am I clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, somebody with calculator just help me out. I'll start writing the calculations. See now how to multiply the two matrices. It will be 0.25 into 0.25 into 0.8 plus 0.25 into 0.1 plus 0.5 into 0. 0.5 into 0. I'll put a comma here. Next, 0.25 into 0.1 plus 0.25 into 0.7 plus 0.5 into 0, and the third will be this 0.25 into 0.1 plus 0.25.
0.50.
You are not audible. What is it?
Sir, last one we have to take 0.50 into 0.1.
The last one, this one will be 0.5 to 1. Yes, any problem in this? See this, 0.25 into 0.8, 0.25 into 0.1, 0.5 into 0. Then next will be 0.25 into 1, 0.25 into 7 and 0.5 into 0. Next will be 0.25 into 0.1, 0.2 and 1. Yeah, any problem in this? Yes, any one of you start calculating 0.25 into 0.8. How much? Make it fast. Any one with the calculator. 0.25 into 0.8. 0.2 plus 0.25 into 1. Make it fast. Or shall I do it? 0.25 into 0.1.
0.025. 0.025.
And this is 0.2. Are you sure? This is 0.2. Next, this will be 0.
Yes,
Next, this will be 0.025 plus 0.25 into 7, 0.7. 0.25 into 0.7 will be
0.175.
0.175. plus 0. Next will be 0.25 into 0.1 is 0.2 plus, I'm sorry, this will be 0.025, 0.025, 0.1 into 0.2, I'm sorry, 0.25 into 0.2 will be 0.25 into 0.2. 0.25 to 2.
0.05.
0.05. And the last one is 0.5 into 1. 0.5 into 1 is 0.5.
0.5.
Now let us add this. Let us add this. This will be 0.225. This will be 0.025, 175. So I think this is 0.2. Right? 8, 9, 10. 175 and 25 is 0.2. Okay. And this one is 0.025, 0.5 and 0.5. So this will be 0.530, 0.530, na? 0.025, 0.055. Just check. So your final percentage after 1 year will be 22.5%, 20%, and 53%. It should be 100. It should be 100. So here, if you round it off, it will become 23, 20, and 53. No, it should be 22. 22%, 20%, and 53% from 25%, 25%, and 50%. Then understand from 25% after one period, the total share, market share of A product has reduced to 22. From 25 for B product, it has reduced to 20. Whereas from 50, C has gained the market with 3%. 3%. So this you can use for performance of any share also, or maybe performance of your own product. Suppose your product is B or your company's product is C, then you can immediately understand that company C is doing good. From 50%, it has gained the market by 3%. Now, if somebody asks you about,
Sir, the new total share should also be 100%.
Yeah, it should be 100%.
20 to 20 plus 50.
Total percentage should be always 100.
Because here it is 95%. 22 plus 22 plus 53, it's 95, no sir?
That's what I'm saying. In this calculation, somewhere we have made some mistakes. Whatever figures we have given, so what you need to do is you need to recheck the calculation. But always it will be 100%. Remember, always it will be 100%. I think we have made mistake. This is 50, 52, and this is 53. This is correct. This will be 20%. And 2.25. Just take the calculations. This calculation. Fine. I hope you have understood. Yeah, Karan?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, your voice is not clear. Fine. If somebody asks you about 2 periods, means the market share after 2 years. Market share after 2 years. So what you will do is the transition matrix, this and the new values which you got, R1 you calculated here, this into P for 2 periods, or maybe after 2 years, what will be the market share? So it will be R2 is equals to R1 into P. P is transition matrix which is given to us here. R1 we just now calculated by multiplying the initial stage market share into P. Clear? Now, if you check your WhatsApp, I have forwarded a problem. Just now I'll display it on screen also. Yes. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, the question is in the survey that mobility of population in a state to the village, town, city is in the following percentage. Village, town, city, and column wise it is village, town, city. So from village to village, village to town, village to city, the migration matrix has been given to us. This is transition state matrix. Now the question asked is what will be the proportion of population in village, town and city after 2 years, given that present population is 70%, 20% and 10% respectively. It means 70% in village, 20% in town and 1% in city. So write down the problem in this form and try and solve it, please. Village, it is 50%. Town to village is 10%. City, it is 10%. It is 30%, 70%, 42%, 20%, 20% and 50%. Right?
Sir, city and town is 0.40, sir, not 42.
40, this one. Yes. So 50, see, always check the percentage of total, total percentage of village will be 50, 30 and 20. This is 100, 10, 70 and 20, 100, 10, 40 and 50, 100. It means from village to village, it is 50%, from village to town it is 30%, and from village to city it is 20%. Whereas from town to village it is 10%, town to town it is 70%, and town to city it is 20%. Whereas city to village it is 10%, city to town is 40%, and city to city it is 50%. The question asked is, what will be the situation after 2 years? After 2 years. So just now I solved one problem. Now you need to solve this See, R1 is equals to R naught, the given percentage. I think it is 70, 20 and 10. 70, 20, 10 multiplied with this. Once you get the answer, again put this R1 and multiply it with transaction matrix. You will get it for second year. Do it fast. So your R1 will be equals to 0.7 into 0.5 plus 0.2 into 0.1 plus 0.1 into 0.1. Next is 0.7 into 0.3 plus 0.2 into 0.7 plus 0.1 into 0.4. The last one is 0.7 into 0.2 plus 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.21 into 0.5. Get me the answer?
.39.
How much? 7 5s are 35 na beta. So it will be 0.35. This will be 0.02 and
0.01.
yes,
0.021.
0.21.
0.14. Yes, sir.
0.21 plus 0.14
14.
plus
0.04.
0.04.
yeah,
0.14.
4
0.05.
0.04 to the 4.
4 and 0.05.
Now 35, 36, 37, 38. So this is 38, 21 and 14, 21. So it is 33.
Is 1.
How much?
Total is 1, sir.
This total.
No, full total, sir. From 0.35 to last 0.05.
No, this much. This one. 0.21 and
39.
39. And this is 40, 18,
23. 23.
38, 39, 23.
100. Is
It means the first year transition percentage will be village,
38%.
town 39% and city 23%. Now put this in place of R1, again multiply it with P and you will get R2. Please do it fast. So you will write first year transaction percentage is 38%, 39% and 23% respectively for village, town and city. Let us calculate it for second year. R2 is equals to R1 into transaction probability P and do it. It will hardly take 1 minute. Yes. So what will be your R2?
Sir, wait.
For those who has not understood, I'll write it here. R2 will be 0.7 into not 0.7. This will be 0.38 into 0.5 plus 0.39 into 0.1 plus 0.23 into 0.1. Next will be 0.38 into 0.3 plus 0.39 into 0.7 plus 0.23 into 0.4, and this will be 0.38 into 0.2 plus 0.39 into 0.2 plus 0.23 into 0.5. So how much is this? You have calculator, you should not take so much time. In exams, simple calculators are allowed. So you can do the calculations on calculator. Yes, how much is the total separately?
So it's 0.38, 0.39 and 0.23.
Come again, beta. 0.38.
38.
Your
Yes,
voice is not 38. Okay. This is
0.39 and last one is 0.23.
it remains the same. Because earlier also we get the same answer, 38, 39 and 20.
Sir, can I
Is it
have an answer, please?
answer?
Hello?
Yeah, how much
No,
is
no,
your
can I
answer?
tell the answer? I have got the answer. Can I tell the answer?
Yes, please.
First one is 25.2%.
Yeah, that is correct. 25.2%. Beta, you were telling this. Now current tell me 25.2.
47.9%.
47.9%.
47.9%.
Yeah,
And the
9%.
last is 26.9%.
26.9%. Just check the total should be 100.
Yes, total is 100, sir. Total is 100.
Yeah. So after 2 years, this 70, 20, 10% will be 25%, 48%, and 27%, approximately. The total should be 100. See, from 70%, this has come down to 25%. Now your town, this has increased to 48%, and from 10% it has increased to 27%.
Sir, what
Yes.
should be the last statement we have to write?
Yeah, just check the question. What they have asked you in the question? They have said, what will be the proportion of population in village, town and city after 2 years? So the proportion of population in village will be 25%, town will be 48% and city will be 27% after 2 years. Got it?
Answer.
Pardon? Yeah, yeah. Now we have completed this method, that is Kate's method. So at the max they may use, they may ask you 3 years or 3 periods. And in the question it says specifically somewhere it must be, it might have been written 1 period maybe is equals to 4 years. 2 period is then 8 years. And 3rd period is 12 years. In case of car purchasing transaction, usually it is understood that after 4 years, a person tries to change his car. So here 1 period means 4 years, 2 period means 8 years, and 3rd period is 12 years. So if they ask you after 2 periods means R1, R2. If they ask you after 3 periods, R1, R2 and R3. If they ask you after 3 periods, what will be your answer? This will be R3, R2 into P. So whatever answer you got this, put it here, multiply it with transaction matrix. Am I clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shall I wrap this? We'll start with steady state probability now. Now, what is steady state probability? We are talking about 1 year, we are talking about 2 years, or maybe 1 period, 2 periods, right? But what will be the situation the company is interested in after 50 years, or maybe after 100 years, where my company will be? What will be its share? That is steady state probability. Why? Because after a long period, your market share, your product's market share tends to remain constant. In short period, it changes. Yeah, Prasad sir, please display next question. How much time we left with? 1 minute. We'll re-log in. Another maybe 20-25 minutes we require. Yes. Read the question. Market share is made on 2 brands of breakfast foods, A and B. Every time a customer purchases, he may buy the same brand or switch to another brand. The transaction matrix is given below. At present, 60% of the people buy brand A, 40% buy brand B. Determine market shares of brands A and B in steady state. You got the meaning of steady state? In long run, in long period. In long period. Note down the problem, we'll start solving this. Please re-log in.